Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to put a slow motion effect on a video using Capcut PC. Start by opening up Capcut PC and click on Create New. Next, upload and select the video you would like to put the slow motion effect on. I will use my previous video for this tutorial. Once uploaded, click on Speed on the right of the page. Now slow the video down as much as you like by clicking on these little arrows or just typing in the speed you'd like. As you can see, the video is now slowed down. To make the video smoother, however, you can select Smooth Slow-Mo in the Speed tab. After loading for a while, your video will have a smooth slow motion effect. You can of course also do this with videos with sound, but that can sound a bit weird, like this. All of the games with mods in your library will appear. Click on the game you want to install. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.